Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by ensuring the battery won't die mid-change. Plug in if under 5%. Then open Settings and go to Battery or Battery and Performance immediately. Once done, search or scroll to find Super Power Saving mode. Some Color OS versions label it Power Saving. You're taking the first concrete step now, not toggling anything yet, just locating the correct menu so the next actions are precise and reliable. You'll now open the Super Power Saving Mode panel and inspect which apps are restricted. This matters because turning it off restores background activity. Toggle the main switch off and accept any confirmation prompts you see. Once the mode is disabled, make sure to manually re-enable notifications or background data for apps that were limited, because the phone may keep per-app restrictions even after the global toggle is off. Finish by restarting your Oppo so services and app permissions refresh. This clears lingering restrictions. After reboot, go back to battery settings to confirm Super Power Saving is off and apps are allowed to run. If an app still behaves as if limited, disable app optimization or enable auto start for that app in settings. This is the single most effective troubleshooting tip when disabling the mode seems incomplete.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.